one I am mostly interested in. The immersion blender is not really a big deal. This is a big deal for me. I do hope I don't have to return this. I do hope it will work for me. I was surprised when my channel. How are you guys doing? It's Ogonwadi. Thank you for tuning in today. Happy April, happy spring again. So guys, today we're gonna be unboxing. I'm unboxing I think 2 or 3 items. I don't remember. Sometimes you order, you don't remember, but I know for sure I'm unboxing a Nutri blender and yes, a Nutri blender and an immersion blender, I should say. Anyway, when we open the box, we're gonna see, because you know I ordered a lot of stuff that day and I kind of forgot which is which. Anyway, so I know somebody will say blender again. Yes, apparently the Nutri Bullet blender that I unboxed the other day is good, but not as expected. Normally I like, when I blend, I want it to crush it and smoothen it totally. This does the crushing well. It's smooth, but then not all the way, and I don't want to go through all that stress of changing from one blender to the other. So I decided to just go ahead and buy another one. There's this other brand I got to know about. What is their name again? When I open this box, I believe we're gonna see, oh, it's called Jusseion. I think it's also a part of Nutri blender, if I'm not mistaken. Jusseion, that's what it's called. It looks good, it has a good review, so I said let me give it a try and see if it works for me. I mean, I don't mind. I've always been using Nutri Bullet. I don't mind changing. I'm not really all about brands. So but anyways, now the one I have, I cannot return it anymore. I've used it and I thrown away the box, so I'm just gonna give it out. Okay, so but this one hopefully works for me, so I said let's make this video and unbox this together. If you like that one, go ahead and buy it, but for me it wasn't really a good buy. The price was good, but it didn't really get the job done the way I wanted. Okay, so first of all, I bought an immersion blender. I have an immersion blender also, but that's just 200 watts, like I said. So this one is of more watts, so I ordered it from Amazon. This hopefully is the immersion blender and some other thing. I don't remember the other thing I bought. And this is the Jusseion. You can see the name Jusseion. It came in this is not a brand package. Amazon tends to do like this when they sell something that has a name brand. I don't know, for some reason their box comes in brand. Anyway, I don't know. I don't care about the box or the packaging. I just want what's inside. So let's do this one first. I believe this is the immersion blender. So anyways, yeah, I'm in my room. If you don't mind, it's a lot of noise outside with the kids and all that, so I came to the room to do this so I could get a little bit of quietness. But just in case you hear any noise, pardon me, I have little kids. Okay, so let's go into here helping me. That way I don't have to use the tripod. I need to be really fast before my baby comes and makes a whole lot of noise right here. Oh, this is so sharp. Okay. Oh wow. Let me move the box. Okay, so I see. This is called what? Hopevision. Hopevision. I like the name though. The other one I have is a Countertop. Countertop is a name brand. It's very nice, but I need something more powerful, because these days with my DIYs and all that, I want to really pay attention to my DIYs. I'm doing a lot of research and everything now, so I'm going to be needing immersion blender. Oh, this packaging, man. So this is what it has inside. This is the base. What else? They have a manual and okay, I guess this is just telling you how to claim free prize or something like that. And of course the manual is written in English. I guess, yeah, in English. So, what does they have a website, hopevisiontech.com. Let's see. Okay, they have the safety precautions over here. It's good to read manuals for things like this. The program, okay, the product diagram. Okay, yeah, the diagrams. I guess the specification, the speed control, the on and off switch, the turbo switch, and all those blah blah blah, yada yada yada. How to use the hand blender. Of course, I know how to use that. How to use the milk frother. Wow, that's new to me. That's good. I kind of like it though, and it was not really pricey. How to adjust your speed, how to clean it, and all that. I'm gonna be cleaning this with vinegar before I use it. So that's basically what's in this box. So let's go ahead and open this. Let me see. I like to pop this packaging thing. How many of you like to do that? I really like to pop it. Okay. The other one I have was a little more slimmer than this. Okay, now I get it. Yes, this one, you see why I like it? You see the hand mixer? So if I plug it in, let me see. Oh, it is quite heavy. Oh my god, it is so heavy, super duper heavy. Okay, now I see. I don't know what this one. Okay, this is part of like a mix. I don't know what it's called, but I know I've seen somebody use this before. Yeah, I guess. Is it here? No. I really have to read the manual because I'm not used to this one. I'm just used to the Cuisinart one. Is just straightforward. The Cuisinart one is very straightforward. You see the blade? The Cuisinart one has like two blades, but this one is like a forerunner. Kind of. Let's see. I want to really know how to set this up. So I have to really look at the manual. I have to look at the manual. So see. Oh, I see. So this is the handle. This is the handle here. And this is the hand mixer. You plug it in, you know, and then it's going to mix whatever it is that you're mixing. So it has the hand mixer. And what do they call this other one I'm trying to say? Oh, the egg mixer. Okay. This is called the milk, where is it? Milk frother. They said it insert the milk frother into the holder and then sink into the motor until... Okay. I see. I get it. But anyways, these are the things it came with. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and figure it out myself. It's very simple. I thought it was kind of complicated, but it's not. And this one right here, I think this is openable. It should be openable because how else are you gonna... This looks like a blender to me. Huh. My hand is so slippery because I have a lot of Vaseline on my hand. It's making it so slippery. My husband to be home when I'm doing unboxing because he can figure things out. But anyways, I don't want to make it. Anyways, I'm just showing you what is inside, okay? So let's go to the next one. This is the main thing I want to show you guys. The main thing. Okay, this is the one I am mostly interested in. The Martian blender is not really a big deal. This is a big deal for me. I do hope I don't have to return this. I do hope it will work for me. I was surprised when they dropped it off and the box was this little. I was like, what is this? But when I saw the name, that's when I knew it was the blender. Alright. It looks beautiful. It looks almost the same thing like the Nutri. Oh, Nutri blender. Who knows? Anyway, I know Jusseion is a different company. So it's beautiful. You see that? It has a smart touch screen, a digital LED display, adjustable timer. I love it. I love it because the other one doesn't have that. Detachable is very good. The old one I had, oh my god, that served me for years, all the way from 20. It says a free gift. Really? So if I activate this, I'm gonna get a $15 Amazon gift card. Yay! I love to hear about that. So it came with a manual. And this is the instructional manual, and this is all about it, I guess. Of course, I know they always come with a smoothie and juice recipe and all that. Every blender does that. So this is the manual, and I guess the manual is in English too. Yes, it's in English. Just telling you the important safety and all that before you use this. I'm definitely gonna read because I am not familiar with this. So it chops, it grates, it mixes, it does sauces, frozen blending, and nutrient juices and smoothies. That sounds good. Hopefully it comes out like that. So this is like a cover. I don't know. Oh, guys, yes, this is the size I like. The other blender, the size wasn't this big. So when I'm blending stuff, I have to go 2 or 3 times in order for me to. It is so heavy. Oh my God. It is super heavy. And this package is look at that. It is so heavy. It looks like it looks like the other ninja thing here. So this is how they have in the box. Not much cup. Oh, something fell, not much cup. So let's undress this one. This is the base. This is the base, and this is the touchscreen. You see they covered it with like a cling wrap, and the cord is long enough because even though it's folded, look at that. And it has the on and off button over here. Okay, you see that? It has 1200 watts. This is why I got interested. And this cup, my goodness, this cup is it for me. And look at the other cup. Oh. And of course the blades. Amazing, guys. So this can even serve for even my beans too. I like this. And of course it has the cover for when you're done. And it has the cover for this other one. This is like a to-go cover, you can see. It's like a to-go cover, like if you make your smoothie. Oh well, this is all that came in this package. I like it though, you know. Since it's not plugged in, we're not going to see the buttons. And I'm not going to plug it in because I like to wipe down, clean, disinfect, and then do everything I have to do. So basically, I just wanted to show you guys the Nutri blender that's called Jusseion, that has a smart touch, that has a digital LED display and an adjustable timer with 2 cups. I'm gonna let you guys know as I use it how it works. Hopefully this will serve me, because this I bought, like, this was okay, it was like $100. So hopefully it serves me. If it doesn't, I'll return it, but I have the feeling I'm gonna like this. All right, so anyway guys, thank you so much for joining me today to unbox this blender. I'm still waiting for my husband to buy me Vitamix. I still want Vitamix, but the one I want is like $600. That's the one I want. But meanwhile, we're gonna be using this. So I'm gonna make a video where I'm using this to make a smoothie, and I will show you guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are enjoying the weather as it is. Please be careful wherever you are. Stay safe, and if you haven't subscribed, please kindly subscribe if you like what I'm doing. And to my returning subscribers, God bless you. Thank you for always supporting me. I truly appreciate. I see each and every one of your comments, and it's well appreciated. Thank you so much. I want you to stay safe and stay blessed and enjoy the spring. Bye.